Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig video for you guys. This is only my second time wearing a wig, so don't come for me if it doesn't look that good, but I think I did a pretty good job for my second time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And yeah, let's get into this video. So this is everything that I used for this wig today. So I just started with my hair in twists and I pinned them down with bobby pins so that it would lay pretty flat. It's not super duper flat, but it'll do. I used two nude wig caps, but you guys will see later that I actually ended up using a black one. The wig that I have is from Bobbi Boss. It's in the style Carmela in the color number 4. The curls were gorgeous and the hair was very soft and she was very, very long. The wig comes with actually 3 clips in the front and then there's one in the back. So I decided to do a middle part for this wig. Next, I'm just gonna cut off the lace and I'm gonna start styling it. I did comb the curls out and they were still as beautiful as they were straight out the box. I put some mousse on the top just to help it lay down a little bit. I did end up putting a scarf on for a little while to help it get a little bit more flat. So as you can see here, I used the black wig cap and I used a wig grip. I just got these from my local beauty supply store. And I used some more mousse and I tied it down again with a scarf just to help it lay a little bit more flat. One side of it was kind of, I guess, higher than the other. So I was trying to get it as flat as possible. And then I just laid down some baby hairs. They are definitely not perfect, but nobody's gonna see like the ones on the side because the hair covers it. But the one in the front could definitely be better. I fixed it later on though. And now I'm just applying a little bit of the Got2b gel. I did put powder on the hairline and on the part, but my camera, like, I don't know what happened to those clips, so I don't have them anymore. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and follow me on my social medias, and I will see you guys in my next video.